Let's learn how to divide the number 73 by 2 using the long division method. See that 2 times 3 is equal to 6 and 6 is closer to 7. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this 3 here. And we know that 2 times 6 is 12 and 12 is closer to 13. Subtract, we get 1. Now this 1 is less than 2, but we have no number to bring down here. So in this situation, we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 73 divided by 2 is equal to 36.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.